Alright everyone, listen up. Welcome back to the channel. We're here to bring you another resort tour today here at Walt Disney World. We're at the All-Star Sports, so I need your head in the game. Let's do this. Break. Alright, so we're gonna start this resort tour in the very front, so let's head back up towards the main lobby. Alright, so I want to start our tour right in the very front of All-Star Sports, which is where you are going to find the Disney bus system. Now, All-Star Sports music and movies rely primarily on the Disney buses to get to all the theme parks, the water parks, and Disney Springs. So you're gonna find behind me all the different bus stops. All you do is you find where you're going. If you're going to the Magic Kingdom, get into the Magic Kingdom bus line. It's that simple. But now I want to take you through the lobby of All-Star Sports before showing you the rest of the grounds. Okay, so we're currently in the lobby. I am in the check-in line. So as soon as you enter in the All-Star Sports lobby, on the right is going to be all the check-in desks. So we're gonna check into our room. It may be ready, it may not be because we're really early, but I love checking in early when we're doing staycations. So.
The rooms are subject to a visual inspection. Housekeeping won't apply to you because they do it every other day. And then you're not putting a card on file, but if you were, it was going to be $100 more.
Okay. Cool, thank you so much. That's awesome. Is that a preferred room normally? Yeah. Oh, sweet. Thank you so much. I appreciate that.
I see the pin board.
Sorry. Sweet. All right, so our room actually is already ready, so we're gonna head right there and start you all off with a room tour. Okay, so while the adults are busy checking in, the kids can sit down and watch their favorite Disney cartoons on the TV. I just think that's so cute. That's something I remember ever since I was little and coming to Disney World too. And then I want to turn around and show you all, if you're celebrating something like a birthday, anniversary, honeymoon at Disney, be sure to get your buttons, which they kind of have over there. Okay, so right next to the main lobby, you do also have restrooms here if you need to go to the bathroom before going out to the bus stops or before doing anything else. They do have a mailbox if you happen to need to mail a postcard or something you get on vacation, an ATM machine, which is really nice, and then if you want to get a portable charger, they have these all over the parks too, so it's great. You can just exchange them once you have one and always stay freshly charged. And then if I turn around, we have the Sport Goofy gift shop. Oh my gosh, I am so getting this. This is so cool. It's a Mickey balloon sipper. I love sipper cups. That's so cute. So we're almost to our room and we were joking like, please don't let us be in front of all this like construction going on. We are, but welcome to the All-Star Sports. But this can honestly happen at any hotel, so hopefully they're going to be done soon. But let's go inside and show you all what these rooms look like, but we're going to have to go over the water hose and phone and all that, so let's go. Okay, well welcome into our room here at All-Star Sports. So just a quick overview, you do have 2 double beds in here. You're gonna have a small table and sitting area with a coffee maker as well as a TV, mini fridge, a few drawers to put your things away. And then of course your bathroom area. I do want to let you all know these rooms are very outdated. They basically have not changed these since the 90s, since I have slept in these rooms. But they are going through renovations right now to hopefully make them a little bit more modern and a little bit more similar to like the new rooms at All-Star Music and All-Star Movies, which happen to run the same exact price as these. So honestly, I would say a no to this and book those resorts for now until they redo these rooms. Okay, so this is the cute little sitting area here. I am very excited to use this as my workstation today after I do some swimming in the pool. But like I said, there's a coffee maker and then you do have a thermostat to make it your desired temperature in the room. And then I want to show you all the drawers. Like I said, a few drawers to get organized and put your things away. You have a nice TV. as well as a mini fridge. Now please note that there is no microwave. Microwaves are on a first come first serve basis, and usually they don't have any available, so just keep that in mind when you are coming here. But let's go over here. I don't see any USB plugs either. Actually, I don't see any plugs in general. So we'll have to figure out how to charge our phones tonight. Oh, there's some on the sides, way sides of the bed. So look at Goofy surfing. We're in the surfing section of the resort. How cute. And then we do have a coat hanger or a coat rack here. I personally love to use this to hang up your ponchos at the end of the day, especially if, you know, it got rained on. Hang them here, they can dry. You do have a connecting door. These rooms only sleep up to 4, so if you have a family of 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 of you coming, you're going to need to purchase 2 room packages, and you can get the connecting door in between. It's bathroom time. All right, so into the bathroom. Ow! Into the bathroom we go. This hit my glasses. Single vanity sink here. You do have an area to hang up clothes if you wish, as well as it looks like you can store your luggage up here too, or anything you'd like to put up here. Ironing board, toilet paper, tissues, hair dryer, safe. So that's nice. Wow, it's so small. You can put your things in a safe. I remember these safes from when we were little. You do have some facial soap if you should need it. And then let's go ahead and show you the shower and toilet area. I love that Disney does a split bathroom design because it allows for multiple people to be getting ready at the same time. So maybe somebody's in the shower while somebody else is over here brushing their teeth, which is really great. And look at how cute the shower curtain is. Look at how adorable. It's got all the little characters in their sport attire. Minnie's playing tennis. Daisy is playing baseball or softball. Mickey's playing basketball. Donald's playing football. It's so cute. I love it. But a really nice shower. Let's look inside. Plenty big. You do have your Disney H2O products. Your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So no need to bring any of that from home. Highly recommend using the Disney ones. And yeah, that's that. Okay, so I do want to show you all the rest of the resort. So here was the main lobby and the check-in area. We did show you the gift shop. However, we didn't show you the game room as well as the food court just yet. We'll show you that later. And then these are all the different sections of the resort. You can see there's actually 2 different pools. So we have this pool over here by the Home Run Hotel. They've got Touchdown. We are in Surf's Up. We are in this building right here. You have Center Court and you have the Hoops Hotel. So let's go check each one out and see what they're all about. And then I definitely want to go swimming because it's hot. I want to show you our view out of our window here. Kind of a nice, just tropical Florida style view. This would be considered a standard view. Now with a standard view, you could also have views of the parking lot. So you can be sure to put in a room request and maybe get like a garden view instead of that. So we just walked out of the room. I made a right because I think, yeah, it looks like we're coming up to like the cheer section over here. So let's see what we run into. Oh. Okay, so here's the tennis section.
Are you recording?
Okay. Okay, so it looks like we're coming up to the Center Court Hotel. This is the tennis section. This is pretty cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we are currently making our way over to the basketball hotel now, but I do want to mention that be sure to double check when you're booking the All-Star Sports, because whenever sports teams come down, like they have football, cheerleading competitions, anything like that, they do stay at the All-Star Sports and they can be packed, and you're going to be hearing cheerleaders outside your room at 1 a.m. practicing their cheers. So right now it's so nice and quiet, but you have to definitely be sure that you are checking the dates or working with a travel agent such as myself, so because we'll know the times that we should and should not put you at the All-Star Sports. So let's go check out the basketball section. Look at this giant, like they're giant whistles. That's crazy. That's so cool. I do love the theming of the All-Star Resorts. It's really neat to have all the like basketballs out here and the tennis balls. And I love being in the Surf's Up section. It's really cool. So after the basketball section, like in between the basketball, tennis, and Surf's Up, there is a cute little Mickey statue that says All-Star Resort. So maybe a cute place to take a picture or film a resort intro. So off to my side here is going to be the main pool and kiddie pool area, which I am so excited to get in once I wrap up this tour. We're walking back through the Surf's Up section, and we're going to show you the final 2 sections of the resort before we show you what the pool is like. I don't know where the, oh, they're probably in here. I saw somebody playing earlier. They do have a fun little ping pong table. There they are. I'll challenge you. Do 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 do.
One more.
Oh. Welcome to the football section. Okay, so we're heading back to the home run section, the baseball section, and they do have another pool here, so we're going to show you guys that. Welcome everyone to the home run pool. It is time for the 7th inning stretch. If everyone can stand up for me, please. There's a set of restrooms over here should you need them to change or anything. So that's pretty nice. Oh, let's look at the recreation activities. What is today? Monday. They have poolside activities at 1:30. Make your own buttons, make your own ears, touchdown campfire. We got to go to that. They have the bedtime story and movie Under the Stars tonight at 9 o'clock. They're playing Moana. I am Moana. I think the heat's getting to me today. So I forgot a swimsuit cover up, so I'm wearing a towel to the pool. Oops. But I am so excited to swim. I mean, I was drenched from doing that resort tour, so I'm excited to jump in this pool right now. So welcome to the Surfboard Bay Pool. It's actually not that crowded, so I am so excited to do what that kid just did right there and jump on in, because it looks so refreshing and I am so excited to swim. But that home run pool looks nice too, so maybe we'll swim over there. And it's hot out and I'm definitely gonna need to go to that pool bar over there and get a drink. Grandstand Spirits here soon. So I'm gonna jump in. I'll see y'all in a second. Okay, so we took a quick swim. I'm very thirsty though now, so I'm gonna head over and show you all the pool bars so I can get a drink and relax and have that before going back in the pool. The pool temperature too is perfect. It's like not too hot, not too cold, which is great. Disney pools are heated too, so if you're coming in the winter time, still bring your swimsuit because you're gonna be able to get in. Yes, I do. And then he's going to do the lava smoothie.
What was that?
The lava smoothie. This looks so good. Oh my gosh, that's dangerous. So I got the blueberry lemonade. It's 3 olives, blueberry vodka, Bull's Blue Curacao, and Minute Maid premium lemonade with lemon and pomegranate juices topped with Sprite. Okay, thank you. And Travis got the lava smoothie. It is a raspberry puree blended with flavors of coconut and pineapple. That is a non-alcoholic drink. All right, so we got a pizza from inside the food court for lunch. How cute, the little Disney characters on it. It's a large pizza. It was only $17.99. Not bad for a family to split, because look at the size of this thing. There's 8 slices. Perfect for a family. Love it. Let's dig in. Oh, it's so hot. It's so good. This is what I'm excited for. I cannot wait to get this for dessert. It's like a baseball cupcake with like popcorn, like caramel corn around the outside. That looks really good. I hope it's really good. I'm definitely gonna get that to try for you all. Huge thing here full of baked goods, cookies, donuts, and other cupcakes. Also inside the main lobby is the arcade, which is really cool. Look at how big this arcade is if your kids want to play some games. Good morning, everyone. We just woke up from All-Star Movies. Wait, no, where are we? Sports. We're at All-Star Sports. We woke up at All-Star Sports. It's like almost 10. But we were out last night at the Magic Kingdom till pretty late. The Magic Kingdom was open till 11, so we stayed out there. The beds are pretty comfy, but my only thing is they are small. So it is very, very uncomfortable to fit a family of 4 in here. 2 people could fit in here fine. Like if you had 2 adults, you just may not be sleeping in the same bed because these are pretty small beds. So just keep that in mind if you plan on coming to the All-Star Sports before they are renovated, which they're getting renovated right now. So hopefully they're going to be putting some queen size beds in here. Goodbye, Mickey cartoons and Resort TV. Goodbye, Surfing Goofy. Goodbye, room 6114. All right, wrapping up our stay here at All-Star Sports. It actually was not bad at all. A lot better than I was expecting and preparing for. So like I was saying, really not that bad at all. Is this fogged up again? Not a bad stay. I was expecting worse just because this isn't refurbed or anything, but it's completely fine, especially if you don't plan on spending a lot of time in your room and you just understand there aren't as many amenities maybe as a moderate or a deluxe resort. If you want to learn more about our travel planning services, be sure to use all the links in the description below, as well as you can access my full Amazon Walt Disney World packing list. All that sort of good stuff is all in the description. Be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, because in just a few days we are going to bring you a resort tour of Animal Kingdom Lodge, which is going to be really exciting and really beautiful. So I will see you all then, and stay magical.